Our Empyrean diffractometer ranges from room temperature to 1200 degrees Celsius in air, vacuum, or inert gas environments, while our Huber diffractometer ranges from 10 Kelvin to room temperature in a vacuum environment. For this kinetic experiment, the data were collected while the temperature was increased to 1200 degrees Celsius. Never did the user allow the system to pause at a temperature to reach equilibrium. Each of the vertical lines that you see in this plot corresponds to a peak in the typical intensity versus 2 theta type of plot. The color of each line indicates the intensity of the peak. In this experiment, the user began by mixing two materials, aluminum oxide and calcium carbonate, and pressing them into a pellet. That pellet was then placed in our system and data collection began. Once the temperature reached approximately 700 degrees Celsius, the calcium carbonate transformed to calcium oxide and CO2 gas, while the aluminum oxide did not react. If you look above and below the red line on the figure, you'll see some peaks continued from the lower region to the higher region. These are from the aluminum oxide. Some peaks ended. These are from the calcium carbonate. Finally, some new peaks appeared. These are from the calcium oxide. As the temperature continued to rise, the user saw another transition around 850 degrees Celsius. This time the aluminum oxide did react with calcium oxide to form both compounds shown here. With this one experiment, the user was able to determine the reactions and reaction temperatures for every step of the material synthesis. If you would like more information about the JIME diffraction facility or have any questions, here is the address for our website and my email address. Thank you for watching.